Hello you wonderful people, my name's Jan and I want to teach you how to make this game. This is MagRacer. It's a futuristic racing game based on a magnetic field that will power your craft. To get too far from that, you lose power. Loosely based on Wipeout, there's a lot of key differences that make this a lot of fun to play. We've made this in the Godot game engine. It's a free and open source engine that'll do 2D and 3D and the two together really well, and I love teaching it. Now, I'm a professional instructor. I've got about 8 years worth of teaching experience from kindergarten to university level, but I love working with and teaching this game engine. There's a lot of really cool stuff you can do. There's some great tutorial content out there for Godot already, most of it focused on 2D. We want to show you the kinds of things you could do in 3D with this engine, how fast you can go, how pretty you can make it, the kind of response you can get from a controller. And that's what I want to take you through with this course. I want to show you how to make a physics-based racer that simulates a magnetic repulsion field. What we have now is a prototype. It's a fun prototype and we love working on it and we really love playing it, but we want to turn this into a detailed game that we can turn into a course. We want to take you from the very first moment you open up your first scene for this project all the way up to the final polish. That's going to take some time. On top of that, we want to hire Bastian to do some extra work. Say hi, Bas.
Hi KickStarter, my name is Bastian Ole. I've been working on game engines since my teens. I'm also known for adding support for VR into the Godot game engine. For this course, I'll be showing you how to build an AI to control the NPCs in the game. I'll also show how to make the various particle effects and shaders that are used in the game. I hope to see you all during the course.
On top of that, Mikey is going to be working in the background making some cool stuff. Mikey?
Thanks, Jan. My name is Mikey, and I will be creating the assets that you're going to need throughout this course, both the sound ones and the models themselves. You've already seen some of the alpha ones. We're going to make this game look real sweet. Now, those assets themselves are yours to keep as well and use however you want. Back to you, Jan.
We're going to be covering a lot in this course. I'm thinking probably more than 20 hours worth of content, which is a decent chunk of learning. In that, we're going to cover things like how to create a track from a CSG curve, how to simulate magnetic repulsion along the track, how to use Godot's physics engine to move rigid bodies at high speeds, how to design for a controller, how to make pickups and weapon systems that are modular so you can add more and more of them and the whole thing will just still work, how to design a compelling level for a racer like this, how to generate checkpoints at runtime, how to map multiple materials to a mesh so that you can actually repaint them for different teams, how to background load so you're not just sitting there watching something hang, you know things are happening, unlockable rewards, and much, much more. We have a vibrant community of really helpful and lovely people who'll be with you on every step of your journey, and we'd love for you to be part of that. So let's get MagRacer made. Back now and get some awesome 3D content.